In today's episode, I am still decorating for Christmas. So if you're interested in seeing what area I did today, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on a budget. Now today I am cleaning out and reorganizing and decorating my china cabinet for Christmas. Now I'm only doing the top portion. Now so I'm using some new things to me, that is, and rearranging the old. So if you're interested in seeing how all this turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Now let's get a closer look of the china cabinet and everything I changed in it. Now this angel, that was my mom's. We went thrifting and she picked out that angel, and now I have it sitting here in my china cabinet. And of course you see the gold. She loved gold. Now I did clean up all of my Z Gallery dupe wine glasses, champagne glasses, water glasses, and the whole thing. Now the little set here, I could kick myself. I only found 4. I've been looking for 2 more to complete the set. The wine goblets, I have 6 of those. And these glasses here, I thrifted them, but you can find them at Bed Bath & Beyond. And the cloche in the back, that was a thrift find, and I bedazzled the handle on that. Now down here in the bottom, of course, you know I had to include some copper. So I have my copper pitcher and teapot, and then a brass tree that belonged to my mother. Now that's the far right section of the china cabinet, or hutch as some call the top part. Now in the middle here, in the back, I have the Z Gallery dupe candle holders. There are 3 of those. And then here I have the cake plates here that'll be dazzled on the top. Now those little miniature cake plates, I found them at a place called Dirt Cheap years and years ago, but I only grabbed 4. Silly me. Yes, I know. And so now I have the Z Gallery dupe candle holders behind the angel, and the angel is sitting mid-center of this china cabinet. Now on the next shelf, I have my crystal candle holders. I have the 2 larger ones, 2 medium, and then the 2 small glass ones that came from the Dollar Tree. Now I have 2 of these gold trees. Now you see I have the same candle holders on both sides, and then the salt shakers came, they were thrifted, they are actually crystal. And the pitcher in the middle, I picked up that pitcher thrift shopping. Now I have these 2 smaller gold Christmas trees. Those were my mom's as well. I'm telling you, she was a gold girl for sure. She loved her gold items. Now on this bottom shelf in the center, this cloche, this set here, that used to be my grandmother's, so that is the best place I could put it. I'm leaving it there. And on the sides, I have 3 of the stemless copper wine glasses on each side.
Who would have thought that Christmas?
And in the front, I have the glasses my husband and I use as toast glasses at our wedding.
Don't get me
so that is the main middle section of this china cabinet. When I came back, because I couldn't remember if I told you about the crystal salt and pepper shakers. I found them thrifting, and the woman actually thought they were glass, but they're actually crystal. Now on the top shelf, I have the champagne flutes, and then water glasses from their Z Gallery dupes. And all these glasses from the Z Gallery dupes, of course you know they came from Ross. Now I have 6 champagne flutes, and I have 6 of the water glasses in the center. Now the next shelf is another set of those glasses. They're really thin crystal. They came from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I love those. I think they're really gorgeous. Now if you see that rose there at the front, it's a crystal rose with a little pink bud on it. That was my husband's mother. Her name was Rosetta, and it's a copper rose, so that represents her. Now on this bottom shelf, we have another angel. Now I bought that one years ago, and that angel, my mom had it, so now it's mine, and it was back at home again. And now you see the copper wine glasses. Those are from at home. For every girl and boy. Now I have 6 of those copper glasses as well. So here is the, oh, and I forgot to show you this plaque my husband got me. I think it's been 3 years now. It's for Mother's Day. You can't really see it unless you get up on it, but it's really pretty and has a beautiful poem on it. So here is the china cabinet all lit up, and you can see everything that's placed in it. I did some moving around to give things a little bit more room, and I think it's really, really beautiful, y'all. So let me know down below what you think of this china cabinet and the rearrangement and the placement of things for Christmas. I'm loving that angel at the top, and I've just really liked the touches of Christmas that I put in here this year. Now if you didn't know, my formal dining room is all going to be gold and white in remembrance of my mother. These were her favorite colors, gold and white, for Christmas. So I'm going to put this whole room will be all in gold and white. Now here is how the hutch looks closed. So with the lights on so you can see everything. Now I did move the angel in the top over so you could see her in the glass. Because I wanted her to be seen. So this is the overall look of how it looks closed. I still think it's gorgeous. And you know, I didn't realize that I had the pieces put in a triangle shape. Too funny how you don't notice when you do things. You do it and not realize that it's done in an order. But I'm really pleased with how it looks. So please, you guys, tell me what you think of the hutch or china cabinet, how you want to say it, down below. You know I love reading your comments, and I'll see you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.